Hello and welcome to the Digital Scholarship Lab training series. Today we're going to be talking about the OC G-Stream video switching unit, which is used to record the cameras on the podcast stations. There are 4 cameras and you'll see the inputs here, number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and also corresponding to that are the buttons, number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And there are a couple of ways to use the buttons. We'll explain that very shortly. The other things you'll see on the mixing board is the menu button, which allows you to change some of the settings, and the control knob, which allows you to rotate through those settings and actually change what you need to do. We have a fading unit here which fades between 2 camera views and is a quick way to kind of give you a blurred fade between the 2 systems. On the recording side, we have a group of buttons here. We've got a record button, a stop button, playback button, and then you can jump between different videos you've recorded there. And right at the front is the SD card reader and writer. So this is where you're going to put your SD card to record to. And the audio from the cable at the back here is coming from the Rodecaster Pro unit and allows you to receive audio into the video switcher, which will then be added to the video as you're recording. The first thing we do is go through the system. Using the menu button, we actually go through, and then we use the scroll button to scroll all the way down to setting, scrolling all the way down again to reset, and you're pressing the button to set that. SD format, we're going to actually format the card and confirm that, and that will actually format the video card and tell you how much time you've got available on that particular SD card. We are going to use the SD card that comes in the bag with the key because that is a high-speed card and is available to be used for this system. Once we've done the formatting, we then go backwards, pressing the menu button until we get back to the main screen, and then on the screen you will see the audio video and it will tell you how much time, in this case 5 hours and 40 minutes of record time available. There is a monitor system which I'm going to be showing you with a clip up from the screen. On that screen, the top 2 big screens are the preview and program. The preview is the screen that you're actually going to switch to next. The program is the actual screen that's being recorded when you hit record. Below those, you will see each camera screen coming into the board, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, how to switch between those screens. For instant switching, if you look at the buttons on the board, if I want to switch from 1 to 3, I just press 3, and that will instantly switch to that camera on the program screen. Again, I can switch between screens, 1, 2, 3, and 4, to give me the viewpoint I'm looking for. If I want a smooth fade between screens, I will select a screen using the bottom buttons that's in green, and then use the fader to fade between those, and you'll see the colors change between the actual screens as it's changing, and that allows you to give you a smooth fade between both. Now, to record, very simply, we press the record button. It will turn red and it is now recording. You'll see on the bottom screen on the monitor the time and things like that is changing while it's doing that. Once you've finished recording, press the stop button and that will stop that from recording. You'll see a video image appear in the auxiliary in the bottom left of the monitor, and that will allow you to press the play button on the mixing system right here, and that will start to play back the video that's been recorded there as well. And that will continue playing until it stops. Again, the card, when you finish with the card, you need to take that out, transfer the video and put that back into the bag before you turn it back in to the front desk for you. So it's a fairly simple explanation of getting started with this board. It is capable of much, much more, and you can certainly delve into it with some online tutorials, but we just want to get you guys up and running between the video podcast and the audio podcast. With that in mind, enjoy the video, and if you've got questions, come and see me and we'll get you guys ready to go.